If you have several employees using Office 365 and you want to see everyone's schedules at once, use a group calendar. In Outlook, open your calendar, choose Calendar Groups, then create a new calendar group. Give it a name, and OK. Select the people you want to add. Use the Shift key to select multiple names. Choose group members to add their names to the group calendar. Then OK. The new calendar group appears below the rest of your calendars. Check or uncheck each person's name to show or hide their calendar. To see all calendars, including yours, at once, choose View, then Overlay. To hide all the calendars except yours, uncheck the calendar group. When someone new joins the company, you can add their calendar. Right-click the calendar group and choose Add Calendar from Address Book. Select their name, and OK. To remove someone from the group, right-click their name and choose Delete Calendar. You can now tell at a glance when everyone is at work or in the office without having to ask around.